Hey guys, it's Angela. I ran across a video last night from Chris Jeszcek, and she did this video where she did I forget what she called it. I'm gonna have to look it up and I will put the title of it here. Basically, she held a wooden stick and poured it so it was kind of like a kiss pour. So that's what I'm gonna do. I looked up a couple different paint calculators. I have a 16 by 20 canvas that I did not like how it came out, so I'm going to reuse it. And so therefore, I'm going to fill my cup according to all my paint calculators. I should need about 12 to 13 ounces of paint. So I'm going to try to stay close to that so I don't waste a ton. So and also, part of what drew me to her painting is I absolutely loved the colors she used. So these are my Artist Loft Ready Mix paints, but a couple of them are mixed with other colors. So this is purple mixed with some black and a little bit of metallic white because I put in way too much black. Then I'm going to do a little bit of silver, I think. Okay. Got some air bubbles in there. Then blue or green, blue or green, blue or green. Let's do green. Okay, so we're at about a little over 6 ounces right now. And I'm going to add some white. I have metallic white, but I was trying to use the last of this titanium white. Actually, I should probably just do this to get less air bubbles. Okay, nobody has time for this. Hold on. Metallic white. Okay. So the green, I'm sorry, I don't think I said. The green is sap green mixed with white, metallic white. And this is the phthalo blue mixed with metallic white. And this is going to bring me to about 11.5 ounces. So I'm going to put a little bit more silver, and then I'm going to put a little bit more of this purple just to kind of get myself to about 13 ounces, which would probably be a little bit too much, but hopefully not a ridiculous amount of excess. Just a little bit more white. Okay, that right there is a little over 12 ounces. Oh, and I just went to almost 14 ounces, but okay, you know what? We don't have to go to the bottom of the cup. So, all right, so now we're done. I'm going to move the camera. I'm going to put you on the canvas. I'm going to attempt to hold a stick and turn this into a little kiss pour. Let's get started. I really like how this came out. I'm bring you in for a quick close-up. That blue is just gorgeous. As is the green. I really, really like it. I really hope it covers the paint that's underneath. See how it dries. Made a really cool pattern. My purple is a little more black than I was hoping for, but that's okay. Stay tuned and I will show you what it looks like when it's dry. So here's the finished piece, all dried, and I'm going to take you in for a quick close-up. I'm pretty pleased with how it came out. I think the only thing I wish is that I would have had a little more purple in it. My purple came out very black because I put way too much black in it. But the lines stayed really nice. I got that cool kind of overlay that the Artist Loft paint does. A few little dots from some air bubbles. Sorry, a little bit of a glare. But this is the first time I've ever done any kind of ring anything on this large of a canvas. I'm really excited to try this out again. I think I'll get another couple large canvases or give it a go. So thanks again for watching. Thanks again to Chris Jeszcek. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that correctly, for the inspiration. I am going to link to her video down below. Please check hers out because her purple came out so much prettier than mine did. And it just looks amazing on the hexagon. So, thanks again. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.